Oh, where have you been, my darling, my blue-eyed son? Oh, where have you been, my blue-eyed son? Oh, where have you been, my darling young one? I stumbled on the side of 12 misty mountains. I walked and I crawled on 6 crooked highways. I stepped in the middle of 7 sad forests. I've been out in front of a dozen dead oceans. I've been 10,000 miles in the mouth of a graveyard. And it's a hard, and it's a hard, and it's a hard, and it's a hard rain gonna fall. Oh, what did you see, my blue-eyed son? Oh, what did you see, my darling young one? I saw a newborn baby with wild wolves all around it. I saw a highway of diamonds with nobody on it. I saw a black branch of blood that kept dripping. I saw a room full of hammers, men were all bleeding. I saw a white ladder all covered with water. I saw 10,000 talkers whose tongues were all broken. I saw guns and sharp swords in the hands of young children. And it's a hard, and it's a hard, and it's a hard, it's a hard rain is gonna fall. And what did you hear, my blue-eyed son? And what did you hear, my darling young one? I heard the sound of the thunder roared out a warning. I heard a roar of a wave that could drown the whole world. Heard 100 drummers whose hands were all blazing. I heard 10,000 whispering, nobody listening. I heard one person starving, I heard many people laughing. I heard the song of a poet who died in the gutter. I heard the sound of a clown who cried in the alley. And it's a hard, and it's a hard, and it's a hard, it's a hard rain's gonna fall. Oh, who did you meet, my blue-eyed son? And who did you meet, my darling young one? I met a young child beside a dead pony. I met a white man who walked a black dog. I met a young woman whose body was a-burning. I met a young girl, she gave me a rainbow. I met one man who was wounded in love. I met another man who was wounded in hatred. And it's a hard, and it's a hard, and it's a hard rain gonna fall. Oh, what will you do now, my blue-eyed son? And what will you do now, my darling young one? I'm going back out before the rain starts falling. I'll walk into the depths of the deepest dark forest, where the people are many and their hands are all empty, where the pellets of the prisons are flooding their waters, where the home in the valley met dirty damn prison, and the execution face is always well hidden, where the hunger is ugly and the souls are forgotten, where the color is none and number is nothing.